In today's proceedings, it emerged that the two Iranians who were Thursday charged with collecting information to facilitate a terrorist act after they were allegedly found with video footage of the Israeli embassy had in their possession videos of other high-security government buildings within Nairobi city. Other buildings Syed Nasrallah Ibrahim and Abdul Hussein Goli are said to have captured using their mobile phone include KICC, NSSF, Harambee House, Prison Service Headquarters and Pan-African Hotel. The two are said to be lawyers who were in the country over a case involving two Iranian terrorism convicts currently at Committee Maximum Prison after they were sentenced to 15 years in prison. The court further heard that the prosecution is yet to recover a laptop that was in their possession. Principal Magistrate Joyce Gandani last week issued detaining orders which she extended until 13th of December when she will deliver a ruling on their bail application. And a Malindi judge has disqualified himself from hearing a case in which a woman is suspected to have colluded with her American lover to kill her husband during a family vacation following bribery allegations. Judge Said Chitembwe said the decision was based on the November 17th agreement made between the prosecution and defense during a mention which took place in the chambers. He directed that the case be heard at the Mombasa High Court. Amina Shiraz and an American, Jacob Schmalze, are accused of killing Jimmy Baburan at Medina Palms Resort in Watamu. Shirazi is currently out on a 10 million shillings bond with 2 Kenyan sureties, while the American is at large. Meanwhile, Jane Muthoni, the wife to slain Kiru Secondary School principal Solomon Mwangi, will know the fate of her bail application on Tuesday next week. According to the prosecution, Muthoni is a flight risk considering that her co-accused, Joel Njiru, with whom she is accused to have murdered her husband, went missing on learning about her arrest. State Counsel Catherine Mwaniki told the court that a post-mortem report revealed that the deceased was strangled to death. The case will be heard next week, Tuesday. Finally, the Director of Innovation, Digital and Diaspora Communication in the Office of the President, Dennis Itumbi, will on February 7th next year know whether he stands a chance to win a compensation of over 50 million shillings for unlawful arrest and detention over alleged leaked International Criminal Court documents 4 years ago. In the case, Itumbi has sued the Attorney General, Director of Public Prosecutions, and the Inspector General of Police for alleged breach of his rights. The DPP, however, told the court that his arrest and detention was not illegal since he was not charged with any offences, as there were no evidence to have him prosecuted. Itumbi was arrested on March 22, 2014 and detained for 4 days before he was released. Lilian Otieno for Scales of Justice.